Hello friend. In this step-by-step finance, in this particular series, today I will try to understand what is financial market. So, financial market, it is nothing but it is a mechanism to transfer money from someone who has ideal resources to someone who need immediate attention, who need that money. So this particular transfer process happen through financial market. Now we can say financial market provide a channel to transfer savings to investment. Okay, so we can say like this. Say for example, whatever you have savings after your expenses, that savings we convert into investment through financial market. Hope this is clear. At high level, there are two types of component in financial market. One, it is called money market. Second, it is called capital market. Capital market also has two component. One, it is primary market. Second, it is secondary market. Now, again, secondary market also has two component. One, it is equity market. Second, it is over the counter or OTC market. Let's understand what is money market. So money market, it refers to a market where borrower and lender, they transfer their resources for short term and they do arrangement for their short term liquidity purpose. So these money market instruments are very much short term in nature. So basically it is for less than 1 year and they are very much marketable. Money market example are like bill of exchange, then treasury bill, commercial papers, then call money, then interbank short term deposits, then certificate of deposits, CD, etc. Capital market is nothing but it is a market for financial investment which directly and indirectly claim the capital. Capital market comprise complex of instrument or mechanism through which short term and long term funds can be pooled and made available to government, individual and companies. Capital market, basically stock market, is the barometer of any economy. So now understand what are the functions of capital market. So capital market mobilizes the resources to investors. One. Next, it facilitates the buying and selling of the securities to facilitate process of efficient price discovery, to facilitate settlement to transfer in accordance with predetermined time schedules.